Welcome back. We've got a live lookout up on the north shore of Oahu for you. Looks like pipeline going through some technical difficulties out there. I can tell you as we head back to the weather center, we are looking at both town and country swells rolling in to close off the work week here. By tomorrow morning, that's when that north-northwesterly pushes in. Midday, about 8 to 12, building throughout the afternoon. By Saturday, we could be talking just near that advisory level with the lighter trade winds moving, and I think we're being set up with some pretty clean conditions. 3 to 6 wrap on the west side with some pluses. Look at town shores, 2 to 4, building through the day. We're talking about some possible head highs by about tomorrow afternoon, and then 3 to 7 by Saturday. Another boost, a little Manini one, west-northwesterly coming into the country during the second half of our weekend here. All right, well, the wind speeds, even though they've been lightening up, we're still looking at some nice breezes working through the state out of the east-northeast, 17 miles an hour through Kahului, lighter through Hilo, but out of the cool north-northeast. We've got some west-northwesterlies coming through Kailua Kona and straight in out of the northeast through 17 at Lihue. So it's still pretty cool and comfortable out there. It's all thanks to high pressure off to the north of the state. We have another area of it off to the northwest of us, which is going to slide on in this coming weekend. So by Sunday, we get another boost in trades. Not talking the windy stuff like last weekend, but it is going to keep things cool through the weekend. All right, so it's been a pretty damp day for especially the Hilo side of the Big Island. More moisture expected overnight, possibly pushing into windward and Malca sections of Maui. And it looks like that's going to stick with the eastern half of the state through the day tomorrow, possibly keeping things pretty damp for the weekend. So far, so good for Kauai and Oahu. Outdoor friendly conditions in the forecast. And the trade winds just keep on going. The afternoon high temperatures, it's, you know, that time of the year where we see those numbers kind of climb right near the mid-80s, under that threshold there. But as of today, with the spring equinox, our daytime hours get longer, nighttime hours get shorter.